Do you or your partner struggle with snoring or sleep apnea? There may be another option. A custom dental mouth guard may be able to help. This small appliance gently repositions your jaw while you sleep, keeping your airway open. For many patients with mild to moderate sleep apnea, it can reduce snoring and improve breathing throughout the night. It's custom made for comfort and easy to travel with. If snoring or sleep apnea is affecting your sleep, we'd like to talk to you about whether this option is right for you.